Once upon a time, in a faraway village surrounded by dark woods, there lived a cat named Bella. Bella was a beautiful cat with sleek black fur and striking green eyes. She was a good pet to her owner, Rena, who loved and cared for her deeply. Little did Bella know that fate had something unexpected in store for her. One misty evening, while chasing a butterfly, Bella wandered deep into the forest. The tall trees towered above her, casting eerie shadows that sent shivers down her spine. Bella soon realized she was lost, far away from her cozy home and the comforting presence of Rena. Fear gripped her heart as she longed for her familiar surroundings. Days turned into nights, and Bella's hope began to fade. Hunger gnawed at her small body, and the forest seemed to mock her with its echoing silence. She meowed desperately, hoping for someone to come to her rescue. Meanwhile, a kind farmer named Mr. Peterson was making his way through the forest on his journey back home. As he walked along the twisted path, he heard a faint meow growing louder with each step. Guided by the sound, he discovered Bella, weak and exhausted, hidden among the trees. With utmost care, Mr. Peterson scooped up Bella in his arms, realizing she had been lost and alone for days. He decided to take her to his farmhouse, where he had a soft spot for animals. Bella, though frail, found solace in the farmer's gentle touch. News of a lost cat found by the compassionate farmer reached Rena, filling her with overwhelming relief. She hurried to meet Mr. Peterson, eager to be reunited with her beloved pet. Bella and Rena embraced tightly, their bond strengthened by the challenges they had faced. With Bella nestled safely in Rena's arms, they embarked on their journey back home. The once menacing forest seemed to bid them farewell, acknowledging their triumph over adversity. The darkness gave way to the warm glow of their cozy cottage, where familiar sights and scents welcomed them. Together again, Bella and Rena reveled in the joy of their reunion. Bella's time in the forest had taught her to appreciate the comforts of home and the love that surrounded her. From that day forward, she cherished the warmth of Rena's embrace and the safety of their humble abode. And so, Bella's tale of loss and redemption became a whispered legend in the village. The villagers marveled at the cat's resilience and the farmer's kindness. Bella, forever grateful for her second chance at happiness, purred contentedly, her once fearful eyes now gleaming with gratitude.
Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to shed light on 10 extraordinary words that have captured the essence of a captivating story. These words have the power to transport us to distant realms, evoke emotions, and ignite our imagination. Let us embark on this linguistic journey together. 1. Serendipity, noun, the occurrence of fortunate events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. 2. Perseverance, noun, steadfastness and determination in the face of difficulties or obstacles. 3. Inquisitive, adjective, curious and eager to learn or investigate. 4. Mellifluous, adjective, sweet-sounding or pleasant to the ear, often used to describe voices or music. 5. Pernicious, adjective, having a harmful or destructive effect, often in a subtle or gradual manner. 6. Enigma, Noun, something or someone that is mysterious, puzzling, or difficult to understand. 7. Amiable, adjective, friendly, pleasant, and likable in disposition or character. 8. Ubiquitous, adjective, present or found everywhere, widespread. 9. Ephemeral, adjective, lasting for a very short time, transient or fleeting in nature. 10. Resilience, noun, the ability to recover or bounce back from difficult or challenging situations. In conclusion, these 10 words hold within them the power to inspire, challenge, and transform us. They remind us of the vastness of our human experience and the potential that lies within each of us. Let us embrace these words and weave them into the tapestry of our lives, for they have the ability to shape our destinies and create a world filled with wonder, resilience, and triumph. Thank